By the early 20th century, following European settlement, the Canada Goose was extirpated from much of their range due to unregulated hunting, the harvesting of eggs, and habitat loss. The giant Canada Goose, the largest subspecies of Canada goose, was thought to be extinct for nearly 3 decades until a remnant population was discovered in the early 1960s. Resident Canada geese can be found throughout their former range and beyond, and are considered one of North America's greatest wildlife management success stories. In fact, they can now be found nesting in every US state. It's believed that there are more Canada geese in North America than any other time in history.
Oh yeah, there we go.
I didn't even see those ones.
On this trip, I'm meeting up with best friends Dale, Clark, and Gary, along with Dale's son Ty and my brother-in-law Nick, as we try our hand at getting a 6-man limit of Canada geese from the eastern part of Montana. This is a story of how grit and determination can overcome setbacks and hardships. This is a KAMPwild Adventure.
Every single goose is flared. Nothing's gonna come in. Something's gotta change, I feel like, because they've all committed and then they flared.
With an estimated 1.1 million Canada geese in the Central Flyway at any given moment, you can see why it's a popular destination for goose hunters. In comparison, the flyway to the west, the Pacific Flyway, only has an estimated 100,000 Canada geese, and it's only a few hours away by road. With such a high concentration of geese, you can all but guarantee that you will see wave after wave. Getting them close enough for a shot, well, that's a bit trickier.
We got, I don't know, probably 12.5 geese here to my left. We create kind of a landing strip here. Gives them a spots where they kind of want to land. So that's kind of our style of goose hunting. Put our feeders or our lookers facing into the wind. Majority of your geese, you face into the wind.
Didn't take long for you guys to set this up.
Yeah, and then just sit still.
Yeah. How the geese been flying recently?
Yeah, oh yeah, there's been a lot of geese. It's just, I mean, they usually start flying anywhere from, half hour after shooting light till noon. It just all depends. Sometimes there's hunters on the river that'll get them up right away. I'm gonna guess today they're gonna start, the majority of the geese will start flying between 8:30 and 9. But I probably just jinxed it. The forecast is calling for about what we like. Not super sunny, so our faces shine.
Yeah, this will be nice because the way we have it, we're set up over here, geese over here. The sun's going to be behind us for the most part. So all of the cameras will kind of be pointing away from the sun.
And then majority, with the way we're faced, with how the wind's going to come, you should want to come in from my back towards me.
Cool.
So hopefully they participate today.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
Can't wait, man.
We're in the eastern part of Montana. You can't beat it. They'll be coming out from the Yellowstone River and swinging around into our decoys like southwest. We were here yesterday doing a bunch of scouting, and we've probably seen thousands of geese. We had high winds yesterday, around 40 miles an hour, and no good. Then today it's supposed to be mostly calm and everything. We want cold weather up in the northern part of Montana and Canada and higher up. That pushes all the geese down. They fly south every year. Most of them do anyway. You always have your locals around here all the time. And I wish they had goose season last a little longer because it's so much fun. I'd like to see them keep it open until February 15th. I mean, there's so many geese and they keep flying through. We got the decoys kind of set into the wind. We got 3 landing strips. And so the doubles, singles, 10s, and 15s and 20s can come on in. It's dry out here, so we don't have no shells laying down out there at all. All we got Bigfoots. So, but looks like it's going to be a cloudy day today, and that's what we like. Other people like clear days, but we like cloudy days so our reflections don't show so much. And we'll be sitting in a good-sized canal where the geese will be flying right over top of us and swinging around going into the decoys. Hopefully we'll get a bunch of shooting in today and hopefully get our limit. We're allowed 5 apiece, and so there'll be 6 of us, so hopefully we'll get 30 geese today. We'll just see what happens today, so it should be fun.
Now they don't know where they want to go. They're searching right now. They're scouting.
They didn't flare, but they didn't want to come in either.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. We got geese right there.
Oh, turning. Coming straight at us. On an ideal goose hunt, you would entice the first few groups in and hit your shots, making for a quick couple hours. You'll see on this hunt, that's not what happens. Scrounging out singles and doubles might just be our road to success.
Coming back, Nick. Take him, Nick.
Nice shot.
Headshot. I love that helicopter. You, Tyler, or Nick?
Nick.
Good job, Nick.
Look at the feathers flying out of the sky. They're not hot and heavy, that's for sure. Definitely looks like they're acting decoy shy.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Where are they at?
I don't know.
Oh, I hear them. Right here. They're coming in.
That's a double banger there.
I was gonna shoot that one and then he started falling out of the sky.
Coming right at us.
9 o'clock pair.
Yep, they're all coming back.
You got feathers, that's it.
How'd I miss that?
You hit him.
After an hour, we were sitting at 2 geese. Some days, that first hour can mean the difference between a limit of geese or not. But we weren't discouraged. With the cloud cover, the sun had not poked its head through the misty skies.
Coming in. Wings are set.
That meant that all the singles, doubles, and triples were prime for the picking. They decided to head to the fields before the mass majority decided to get off the water and meet in the recently harvested corn and sugar beet fields for breakfast. So there were less eyes in the skies looking for, well, us.
Nice shot, guys.
Nice.
Tyler, think this would be too bright?
Yeah, they're starting to come off the river. Flocks everywhere now.
They don't like some on these decoys.
Every single goose is flaring. Something's not right.
They start landing in the field next to us. This is a goose hunter's kryptonite, as the natural movement of a few dozen geese sitting out in the middle of a field can be more enticing than stationary decoys next to a ditch with dark figures in it. Nevertheless, we keep pulling in singles and doubles.
Nice shot. I'm moving way down. Sitting up here now spooking them today.
All right, we gotta move something.
Yeah, we gotta do something.
Oh, hey, hold on. We got two coming in to the decoys right now. Don't move.
Two in the decoy.
And flared. They're gone.
Every single goose is flared. Nothing's gonna come in. Something's gotta change, I feel like. Every single goose out here is flared. They've all committed and then they flared. DJ, is that camera out there in those decoys? No? Well, if they keep acting like this. Clark, 3 right behind us. I had my eye on 3 more over here that were real low.
As we attempt to move down the ditch, the geese just keep coming in. We want to move down to where the grass is taller and the tree will cover us as they approach from the east. They are hungry and pushing to the fields.
Coming low, left. Nice shot.
We finally get a chance to adjust, and we take it. As we settle in, a medium-sized group begins their approach from our southeast, coming from the river. Will they flare? Will they just pass over? Or will they make the last mistake of their life?
Hey,
Yep, I'll go for it right now.
here, hold on to us. Here they come.
More behind us. More. Back here. I'll go after those ones. Well, I see the one. He's just right here. I'll go get him.
Yeah.
I think Barta's getting the one that you hit. Seems like they're liking the decoys a little better there.
Yeah, they do.
And DJ, are you gonna run this one down? You give him the old Carl Lewis? No. There you got him. Hey, geese!
Coming in, straight ahead of us.
I hit that first one.
He's coming back.
You're single, Dad, to your left. Clark, get him! Or Gary!
What happened?
Every time I try to enjoy my cigar, geese come in.
That's one way to do it. Thanks, DJ. The afternoon's gonna be hot.
Oh yeah.
All we had to do was send Nick to the truck.
Yeah. That's why they're not coming in.
They're still coming, kinda. They're probably gonna go into that big group. About 5 o'clock. The decoys are always 12 o'clock.
Get him, Dale. Somebody should walk down and get those geese up.
I don't remember if it was here or over there that day we were hunting, and all day long they were getting sucked in like that. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen goose hunting, but there must have been, I don't know, 1,000 in there, and they all came up at the same time, and then they all came, there's 2 here at 12, but they all came right into our, or right to our decoys. It was wild. It was so loud. I bet there was 1,000 of them. Dale, you gotta be sexier than them other geese over there.
One of you younger guys should walk down and get those geese up. That's what's hurting us right now.
I know.
Can I only go to that fence right there?
No, you can go through there.
Past the tree? I can walk past it?
Yep.
Out into that field?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I know, it sounds low too. Oh, it's a single coming right at us.
Oh, I see him, yep.
Having access to the field where the geese are landing and having a ditch that will cover my approach, I make a play on the large group, hoping to get close for a shot or two, while the other guys bag another goose.
Nice shot!
Got him!
I stuck him there for you, though.
Hey, you got Stu. That's the only way I can. You gotta slow him down for me these days, bud.
Just gotta anchor him for you, buddy.
I appreciate that. That buck, I was telling you that one DJ called the 2% buck. That buck was way out in the middle of private land. But there was state that went out a mile and a half and then cut back over a mile. And DJ's like, well, you think if I, went all the way down here, maybe I could spook him over
I
here?
remember that. I saw that.
I was like, DJ, there's like a 2% chance of that happening. And he's like, well, it's better than nothing. I was like, well, if you want. So you did. I sat there and smoked a cigar sitting on a rock.
I remember that. Yep.
DJ did a 3-mile hike and spooked that big buck off that private land, and I got him. He deserved that buck more than I did.
Yep. He worked harder at it. Yeah.
Oh, way hard. I didn't do nothing. I literally sat there and smoked a cigar.
With all the eyes keeping a lookout, I ended up jumping the geese too far out of range to make any shots.
I wouldn't think they'd come this way because they've heard us shooting over here. But at least we got them up.
Oh, he's still coming at us.
Yeah, going. Yeah. Well, he's turning back and forth.
Yeah, you can't make up his mind. Oh, I didn't even see that pair right there. Right there, it just flew over us. Yeah, we've had some spooky singles today, too. A lot of times those singles you can get. He's still coming this way. Oh, yeah. Coming right at us, Dale.
I see him.
With another goose trailing, these two almost seem to be pulled in on a string.
How'd you miss?
Watch that single.
While we may have missed that opportunity, the same three decide to give us another chance.
Take him.
That one that's still flying is the one I shot at.
One of the three goes down, but the other two are still flying, but one is hit. Instead of continuing in a straight line and over the road, he decided to double back into the safety of our decoys.
That's what I like to see. Come back to us. He circled back around and dropped out there.
We can send DJ to do it too. He's probably on his way back.
Oh, I can do it. That's as good a time as any. There's not a ton of activity right now.
If you draw a straight line, Nick, from me to those horizontal posts down there, he's just to the right, pretty much right in between me and that.
He might fly.
Oh, there goes DJ.
Oh, is DJ going to get him?
Get DJ doing a little wild goose chase out there.
He's dead now.
Is that single dumb enough to come back and get shot too?
Oh yeah, here they come. I looked in the sun. Did you get one? They weren't very high. If I could have got turned around, I was going to try and take a shot. I was hoping they would come in. Yeah, but now I can pivot. But you can't kill them if you don't shoot. Hey, they're coming right at us, Ty. Deal. Oh, you don't have a gun? No, why didn't you shoot, Gary? Looking straight at the sun. Well, don't look at the sun.
While it may get confusing with multiple groups flying over, all you can do is stay calm and focus on the ones within your bubble. Those two that just flew by, let's just say they should have continued with the rest of the geese.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Nice shot, Gary, the first one.
Nice job, guys. Nice job. Oh, good job. Both hit.
Wow. Nice warning shots.
Nice job, guys. Nice job, Nick. I love, you guys are shooting literally right here.
It's now 12:30, which means we are over halfway through the day,
Big group straight ahead.
and that the midday push back to the river has started. They are full and ready to go back to the water to mingle.
Some to our left, up high. Heading back to the truck right now. Gonna grab some food and a little bit more ammo. It's been kind of slow, hundreds and hundreds of geese, but we're at 21 out of 30 right now. It's already 1 o'clock and time is flying by. They're not coming in like we want them to. There's a whole bunch of flaring, but we're having a ton of fun. Just hanging out, you know, hanging out with the boys. Yeah, we've had some come in on a string and a whole bunch that keep flaring on us. So yeah. Been having to chase down a whole bunch of geese. Turned into the bird dog today. But it's a good time. Back to the truck, get back out there. Holy crap, dude! That was a sick shot. More north. Coming in lower.
It scares you the first time you have a group of geese coming in like this. You think, did I just call in a group of crows? Nope. Just geese trying to lower their speed and drop in elevation. It's a sign they want to land. As they circle above, Dale takes a long shot that proves to be deadly.
Oh, got him! Wow! Wow! What a shot!
They were too high.
Well, shit. I've been passing on a lot of shots today, I'll tell you that.
Who shot that one?
I did.
That's what it looked like.
Alright, I gotta go get that one. Yeah.
Got about 45 minutes left to light here, and they are just not cooperating. A lot of flyovers, kind of circling our decoys. The sun might be hitting off of them or something. Not sure. You can see that sun's pretty bright back there. I feel like we're pretty dug in this trench, but they're seeing us, or they're seeing the decoys or something, and flaring. So it's going slow. We need 5 more, 45 minutes left. One good group we can get it, but we haven't got a 5er all day, so odds aren't in our favor. They seem to be doing the same path.
almost from the same spot, going to the same spot. So not much we can do when they're so determined. But get back at it, finish out the day. We have some geese. We had some fun. A whole bunch of geese down today, so it was a good time.
You went down on the other side of that road. He fell out of the sky just on the other side of the road.
While Nick is finding the goose he just hit, we stare intently on the horizon, looking to get 4 more.
See all those over the house, Ty? Oh, we got 4 north. Come on, keep coming this way.
Being that I was videotaping most of the day, I still had 3 geese to harvest. So when a group flew over, I set my camera down to get a shot. The bill of my hat covered the approach of a dangerously low group of geese above me.
What? What?
This group came in minutes after shooting light ended, but that's okay. A couple more geese will not make the difference between this being a successful or not successful hunt. I don't exactly know how Canada geese thrive through harsh winters, intense hailstorms, increasing numbers of predators, and all the steel peppering the skies, but they do. They thrive. They adapt. They overcome. Much like coyotes and white-tailed deer,
Hey, this is just
So
awesome.
then you're gonna.
they have found a place in this world.
You had a shortcut in here.
That was awesome. Thanks, guys.
It was really good.
Thank you.
Great
Good.
time.
That was so fun.
Great. Hey,
So fun.
you would have seen any of us running out there like you did. Yeah, sure.
Cool. So it's all
Oh, that's
one
awesome.
on 3 here. Let's just all let this
Yeah.
down. 1, 2, 3.
One thing I do know is the Canada Goose will forever have my respect.
My flag's down there. We'll pick that up.
Okay.
How many did you grab, Nick?
I grabbed 3.
3.
Oh yeah, so just grab 3 more and we'll.
You want that one?
Oh, I'm giving it to you.
When you
I'll
grab
get you some
these,
fat.
I'm
That was a
just
big
gonna
fat one.
grab-
Yeah,
it is.
I can't begin to express my gratitude towards Dale, Clark, Gary, Ty, and Nick, along with the landowners who were extremely kind to allow such a ragtag crew out for a goose hunt. Can't wait to get out with these guys again.